Hey everybody, once again it is time to stop searching for the perfect app for your classroom and to start vibe coding it. Today we are making a vibe check. We're going to do it in under 5 minutes using nothing but one single simple sentence. I'm Remy and this is vibe coding for educators. No syntax, no brackets, just your vision turned into a tool. Let's jump in. Alright, here we are logged into our Canva account. So to get into our vibe coding, remember, we are going to click here at the top on Canva AI. Then, just to be safe, we're going to click code. And here we're going to put today's prompt that I'm going to copy and paste so you don't watch me misspell words. So our magic prompt for today, create 3 large emojis, happy, meh, and sad. When I click one, make it bounce, display a specific message, encouraging message below it. So we've got it there. We're going to click our arrow. And let's see what our designer fires up. And since I'm batch recording, we're still enjoying some Dr. Pepper cream soda out of my RoboLink cup. The one thing that I've started to enjoy as I've been doing more vibe coding and then reading about coding because I want to learn how it works is starting to see the work that it's doing so I can, figure things out even if it's flying by way faster. I know that here, when I get to the end of it, I can click on the show code button and go through and look at individual sections of it to see what it's doing or why it's doing certain things. So now we've got our mood meter, so I can click on it. Ooh, I'm happy. Keep spreading that joy. It's okay to feel neutral. Oh, sending you a virtual hug. Tomorrow will be brighter. So let's say that that's a good start. But maybe I want to add something to it. So maybe I want to be able to track how many people clicked it, how many students, right? If this is something I want to refresh each class period, I can have that in there to kind of keep a quick SEL check-in going. So I'll submit that as my reply. Tells me, okay, we'll do that. Oh, now it's telling us it has changed the formatting, so it's going to add the feature and probably recode for us. But again, would probably take me 4 days to figure out how to do properly and probably spell and put punctuation in wrong. In a matter of seconds, we can play with it here. So I can click on it. My messages are the same, right? I can see a bunch of mez and it's sharing those. The one thing I forgot to show in episode 1 is the different ways you can share this. So if I like my design, I can do a couple of things. First, I can click publish, and this is automatically going to post to whatever domain is set up through your school's Canva profile. So I'm just waiting to get an email from our counseling center to be like, what's all this random crap that's on our college checklist website? So you could publish it there, or if you're like me and you have your own website, I could click out of that, and I can copy the code and paste it into an embed box. Or if I want something that I can quickly share with my students, right? If I want to put it in a set of slides that everybody can interact with, then I can click and just automatically embed it in one of Canva's kind of preset options to make it work. So that's why I think it's super sweet. So again, just like our button from lesson 1, that was easy. I need to remember to look at my camera better. I'm looking at my monitor camera up here. Sorry about that. But now it's your turn. Take that prompt we used today. It's found in the description, and it's also in the Vibe Coding for Educators book that you can get from my Teachers Playground website, and change the vibe to match your subject, your grade level, the energy of your classroom. If this tool saved you a bit of time, or you found something really cool to do with it, hit subscribe and share it in the comments so we can see what each other's creating and get some good conversation back and forth going about the dope things that we can do now that we can leverage AI to help us create some things for our classroom that maybe we couldn't before. In the next video, we're going to create a boss quiz. And I think the fun part is you're going to get to see how not smart I am at times. So, I'll see you in our next episode. Have a good one.